gonna start off with the rat. Actually, never thrown this before. Let's see the action on this bad boy. Oh my gosh! As soon as it hit the water, holy shit! Holy shit! That was an insane eat. I've never even like seen this bait move in my life. That was crazy. Oh my gosh! He got it! He got it! He got it! On the rat. This fish is crazy. What the heck just happened, guys?